Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and studying well. So children, as we know that moral science is something that gives us a moral in life. Okay, now what is this moral? Moral मतलब कोई ना कोई सबक सिखाना. Okay, so we read a lot of stories here and stories से हमें कुछ ना कुछ सबक सीखने के लिए मिलता है which we can implement in our real life. Okay, so we are going to talk about small deeds, big impact. Even small acts of kindness can make a profound difference to somebody else. So we are here talking about छोटे छोटे कर्म करना. Okay, छोटे छोटे काम करना जिसकी वजह से बड़ा सा impact हो सकता है. Okay, when we do small acts of kindness, okay, it makes a lot of difference in somebody else's life. Okay, so get in gear. Kindness can have a big impact on our lives. It comes in many forms and can inspire us. Make a list of 3 people you admire for their kindness and share why you admire them. So बच्चों, जब हम kind होते हैं ना, दूसरों के लिए कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, दूसरों के लिए it makes a big impact on our lives. Okay, एक तो कभी-कभी छोटी सी help भी हम करते हैं ना, तो उससे सामने वाले के लिए it becomes like a huge help. Okay, so kindness जो है वो ये कहीं से भी आ सकता है. It can come in any form. It can help us to get inspired. So आपको ऐसे 3 लोगों के बारे में लिखना है जिनको आप admire करते हो because they are really very kind, okay, and you really admire them for their kindness. Okay, so now let's discuss certain questions here. How can small actions make a big difference in someone's life? छोटे छोटे actions जो हम करते हैं, छोटे छोटे काम जो हम करते हैं, उससे लोगों की लाइफ में बड़ा डिफरेंस कैसे बन सकता है? Okay, why is it important to help others even in small ways? Okay, दूसरों की हेल्प करना क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है? Even if it is in small ways, छोटे छोटे काम करके ही क्यों ना? Okay, can one person really make a positive change in the world and why or why not? क्या एक इंसान इस वर्ल्ड में चेंज ला सकता है? See children, there are so many people, okay, who have really brought about a change. For example, Mother Teresa, okay, the way she dedicated her life towards charity, towards upliftment of poor people, okay, she's really brought about a lot of change. Okay, so there are people, okay, who work selflessly and who are really very kind towards others. So what are some simple things that we can do to help animals or nature? So it is not about helping others, okay, helping the human beings, but we can always help animals. We can do something for the nature, for the environment that can bring about a change in everyone's life. Why should we continue doing good deeds even if no one else notices? Okay, कोई notice नहीं करता है तो भी हमें अच्छे कर्म क्यों करते रहना चाहिए? Okay, do we really do things to help others notice us or form an impression about us, or do we help others because we feel good about it? Okay, and we are of that nature. So think about it children. क्या आपको कोई नोटिस करेगा इसके लिए कुछ अच्छा करना है? जैसे देर आर सो मेनी पीपल जो आजकल सोशल मीडिया का इस्तेमाल करते हैं टू शो दैट हाउ नाइस दे आर व्हेन इन रियलिटी दे आर जस्ट नॉट इट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट. जब आप कुछ अच्छा करते हो तो यू नो व्हाट चिल्ड्रन, you should not let your right hand know what your left hand is doing or your left hand know what your right hand is doing. That is a true way of doing charity. Okay, so हम चैरिटी जब करते हैं तभी हमें सबको नहीं बताना चाहिए कि हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, हमने वो किया, हमने ऐसे किया, हमने वैसे किया, बिकॉज देन यू नो इट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग कि आप शो ऑफ कर रहे हो. क्लियर? सो दैट इज हाउ पीपल विल थिंक दैट ओ you're posting something that oh see today I've donated so many things to somebody. Okay, so that means you are just trying to show off. Okay, but जब आप शांति से करते हो, not showing off to others what you've done, okay, you feel good about it and the person, okay, the recipient of your good deed also feels blessed about it, and then he will bless you also, he or she will bless you as well. All right, so now let's talk about shells of care in this story. The lake near Lily's house had many turtles. They were freshwater turtles, so they were as much a part of the lake's ecosystem as the fish, algae, moss, and other aquatic plants and animals. There was a park located near the lake where people often gathered to walk, jog, or simply relax. So लिली के घर के पास एक लेक था जिसमें बहुत सारे टर्टल्स थे. अब ये फ्रेश वाटर टर्टल्स जो है they are a part of the lake's ecosystem. लेक के इकोसिस्टम में यू हैव फिश, यू हैव algae, moss है, aquatic plants है, animals है, उसके साथ साथ ये turtles भी है. So ये जो पार्क था, there was a park which was located near the lake. और बहुत से लोग वहाँ पे जॉगिंग के लिए, वॉकिंग के लिए या सिंपली रिलैक्स करने के लिए आते थे. So every Sunday morning, Lily went for a light jog around that park. She enjoyed the fresh air and the peaceful view of the lake. Each time she jogged by this lake, she saw an elderly woman sitting at the lake's edge with a small box beside her. तो लिली को भी उस पार्क में जाना बहुत पसंद था. तो एवरी डे शी यूज्ड टू गो देयर, और एवरी टाइम जब भी वो जॉग करती थी तो उसकी नज़र पड़ती थी कि वहाँ पे एक एल्डरली वुमन बैठी है, ओके, और जो अपने साथ एक बॉक्स लेके वहाँ पे वो लेक के एज के पास बैठती थी. So one Sunday, after seeing the elderly woman many times, Lily's curiosity got the better of her. She decided to stop jogging and walk over to the lady. Okay, so एक दिन अब ये लिली ने जो है ना वो बहुत दिनों से यही चीज़ ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी about that elderly woman. So अब now she is getting curious. She wants to know कि वो वहाँ पे क्या कर रही होती है, उसके साथ वो जो बॉक्स है उसमें क्या है. So वो डिसाइड करती कि let me stop jogging, और उस लेडी को जाके वो उसके बाजू में जाके बैठ जाती है. ओके, तो उसके पास जाती है और वो देखती है कि उसके बाजू में एक बॉक्स है. शी नोटिस दैट द बॉक्स, उस बॉक्स के अंदर 3 टर्टल्स थे. दे वर अनहार्म्ड एंड वर स्लोली वॉकिंग अराउंड द बेस ऑफ द बॉक्स. तो वो दे वर लाइक अनहार्म्ड, ओके, they were safe, that means, and they were walking very slowly inside the box. The elderly woman had a 4th turtle in her lap that she was carefully scrubbing with a soft spongy brush. और उसके लैप में और एक टर्टल था जिसको वो एक सॉफ्ट स्पॉन्जी ब्रश से स्क्रब कर रही थी. So Lily watched for a moment, fascinated by the care the woman showed to these turtles. अब Lily was very fascinated और देख रही थी कि the way that old lady was taking care of those turtles. Okay, she was pretty impressed now. So Lily just couldn't help but wonder why the lady was cleaning the turtles every week. अब वो मतलब वो सोचने लगी कि ये हर हफ्ता इन turtles को ऐसे साफ क्यों कर रही है. Okay, so she also noticed that no one else seemed to pay much attention to what the woman was doing. तो अब ये भी नोटिस करती है लिली कि और कोई तो उसके मतलब वो जो कर रही है उसकी तरफ कोई ध्यान भी नहीं दे रहा है. So many people are walking past her, but nobody is even paying attention to what that lady is doing. So Lily thought it must be something special. So she gathered her courage and approached the lady with a smile. अब तो लिली को लगता है कि कुछ तो ये important चीज़ कर रही है, something special she's doing. तो इसके लिए वो सोचती है कि let me go and ask this lady about something. So she gathers her courage and she goes to that lady and she smiles and she says, "Hello," Lily said very kindly. I see you here every Sunday morning. So उसको कहते हैं कि मैं तुम्हें ना यहाँ पे every Sunday, हर संडे के सुबह मैं आपको यहाँ पे देखती हूँ. So if you don't mind me asking, I would like to know what you are doing with these turtles. So कहते हैं कि if you don't mind, I just need to know कि आप इन turtles के साथ क्या कर रहे हो. So the lady smiled back and she replied, I am cleaning off their shells. तो lady जो है वो smile करते कहती है कि मैं ना ये turtles के जो shells हैं उनको clean कर रही हूँ. Anything that sticks to the turtle's shells like algae or scum makes it harder for the turtle to absorb heat from the sun and can slow them down when they swim. Okay? So वो lady कहती है कि मैं उसके ऊपर shells को clean करती हूँ क्योंकि अगर इस पर algae बैठ गई या moss बैठ गया तो इसकी वजह से ये जो absorb करता है ना, turtle absorbs the heat from the sun, इसका process slow down हो जाएगा और उनको swimming करने में दिक्कत आएगी. So over time this can also damage the shells और उसकी वजह से इनके shells damage भी हो सकते हैं. So wow, that's really kind of you, Lily said, amazed at the lady's dedication. अब Lily is like very amazed, okay, and seeing कि ये lady कितनी dedicated है towards the turtles. The elderly lady, encouraged by Lily's interest, continued, I come here every Sunday and spend a few hours by the lake. It's relaxing for me, and at the same time I help these turtles by cleaning their shells. It's my small way of making a difference in the world, even if it seems a little unusual. फिर वो lady, she further talks to Lily, and says that कि मैं हर संडे को यहाँ पे आती हूँ, हर संडे सुबह मुझे अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे. I find it very relaxing. I also like to help these turtles by cleaning their shells. Okay, it's just a small way by which I can make a difference in the world. Okay, maybe it's a little unusual, but that's how I feel that I'm helping something in the world. So, but don't most freshwater turtles live with algae and scum on their shells? Lily asked, curious about how much of a difference this effort could really make. So, अब लिली जो है वो पूछती है उस लेडी से, बट आप मतलब मैंने सुना है कि ये जो फ्रेश वाटर टर्टल्स है ये तो एल्गी और स्कम के साथ रहने की तो इनको आदत होती है उनके शेल्स पे. सो नाउ दिस लेडी सेज yes they do. Okay, she replied with a sigh. Sadly, most of them spend their whole lives carrying dirt on their shells and there aren't enough people to help them. Okay, so कहते हैं हाँ, that's a sad part कि वो उनको अपने shells पे dirt carry करनी पड़ती है and full life they are just carrying that with them. Okay, it's really a sad thing. Lily thought about it for a moment and asked, well, don't you think your time could be better spent doing something else? I mean, it's kind of few, but there are freshwater turtles in lakes all over the world. And 99% of them don't have people to like you to clean their shells. तो अब लिली कहती है उसको कि क्या आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि you can do something else which is much better rather than cleaning the turtle shells? क्योंकि अगर ऐसे देखेंगे तो 99% of these people, okay, these turtles which are there, उनकी केयर करने वाले लोग ही नहीं है. Okay, so there is no one who can clean their shells. So no offense, but what is it you are really doing here? Okay, how can it really make a difference? So up Lily, she's trying to use her words very carefully so that she does not hurt that old lady. कहती कि आपको ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि आपके ये जो छोटा सा एक्ट आप जो कर रहे हैं उससे इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है या बड़ा डिफरेंस बन सकता है. So the elderly lady gently finished scrubbing the last bit of algae from the turtle's shell and released it into the lake. अब ये जो लेडी उसके साथ बात करते करते वो शेल को क्लीनिंग कर ही रही थी तो उसने उस शेल का मतलब शी इज़ एट द एंड ऑफ द स्क्रबिंग ऑफ द एल्गी फ्रॉम द शेल. ओके, अब उसको साफ करके शी रिलीजेस द टर्टल इनटू द लेक. शी लुक्ड अप एट लिली. She smiled and said, my dear, if this little turtle could talk, I'm sure he would tell you that I just made all the difference in the world. So कहती है उस लड़की को कि अगर ये टर्टल जिसको मैंने अभी साफ करके पानी में छोड़ा है अगर वो बात कर सकता था तो वो बता देता था कि कैसे मैंने उसके जीवन में I have made a difference in his life. Okay, so Lily stood there. She was speechless. She suddenly realized the deeper meaning of what the lady was saying. Okay, so अब लिली जो है she was just stunned. Okay, वो speechless हो गई और वो अब उसको समझ में आ रहा है कि what this lady is trying to tell her. It wasn't about changing the entire world or all at once. मतलब ये पूरी दुनिया को चेंज करने की बात नहीं है. It was about making a small difference, even if it was just for one turtle. It was just about small difference, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, एक छोटा सा difference for that one particular turtle. So we can change the world, maybe not all at once, but one person, one animal, and one good deed at a time. So कहते हैं कि हम लोग इस दुनिया में चेंज ला सकते हैं. ओके, मे बी वी कैन नॉट चेंज द एंटायर वर्ल्ड टुगेदर, बट शायद वी कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस टू वन पर्सन या वन एनिमल या वन गुड डीड. कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं किसी के लिए भी. ओके, सो लिली थॉट द वर्ड्स ऑफ द एल्डरली लेडी स्टेड विथ हर. Wake up every morning and act like what you do matters because trust me, it does. So now Lily realizes कि हर दिन कुछ एक ऐसा काम करो जिससे it really matters a lot, okay? If not to you, at least to others. कि आपके एक good deed की वजह से, you know, it can make a lot of change. Sometimes, you know what happens, children, when we are passing by, okay? We see so many people who are just, you know, upset. So we can, you know, we don't know what is going on in people's life. So sometimes just a small smile also, or just a small hello also makes a lot of difference in their people's life. So I'm not saying that talk to strangers, but at least your known people, we can always say, you know, hello, or we can greet them by saying namaskar to them. So that also makes a lot of difference. A small smile also makes a lot of difference. You never know how many thoughts are there in those people's mind. Okay, so children, yes, we can always be kind to animals, we can be kind to birds, okay, we can be kind to other human beings also, rather than judging them. Okay, so small acts of kindness, even if they seem insignificant, can make a big difference in the world. Okay, so छोटे छोटे जो deeds करते हैं हम लोग of kindness, okay, वो इस दुनिया में एक बड़ा सा difference ला सकते हैं. So that's one of the key message that we are getting here. So every good deed, हर अच्छा काम जो हम करते हैं, हर अच्छा कर्म जो करते हैं, it really matters, and we can positively impact lives one step at a time. Okay, so हर चीज़ it really matters a lot, and positively हम लोग life में change ला सकते हैं. By helping even one person or one animal, we are contributing towards a better world. So जब हम एक इंसान की मदद करते हैं या फिर एक एनिमल की मदद करते हैं, it can really make a lot of difference, okay, and we can make this world a better place to live. Alright, so children, that was the key message. Now what are the things that we need to keep in mind? Small actions that we take, they can make a big impact on others' lives. Okay, so छोटे छोटे काम करते रहो, अच्छे काम करते रहो, and you see it will change you also as a person, okay, and it will make a great impact on somebody else's life also. Every good deed, no matter how small, contributes to positive change. जो छोटे छोटे चीज़ें हम लोग करते हैं, जो अच्छे काम हम लोग करते हैं, they can bring about a positive change in the world. Kindness, it also helps to make the world a better place one step at a time. So जो हम अच्छे होते हैं, लोगों के साथ kind होते हैं, okay, it can really make a big difference in the world. Even small efforts can inspire others to do good. जो हम छोटे छोटे काम करते हैं, जो efforts करते हैं, okay, हमारे efforts देख के दूसरों के लिए हम एक inspiration बन सकते हैं. And imagine if we become an inspiration for others, so many people are doing a good deed every day, and so many lives are getting impacted. So helping others, it brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Okay, आप खुद को you feel very contented. Okay, you feel that you've done something nice. Okay, you feel satisfied about it. Okay, and you feel that कि आपके जीवन का purpose solve हो रहा है. Alright, simple act of care can make a difference to people and animals and also the environment. Alright, so I hope children, now you know that you have to do one good deed at least every day. Care for humans, care for animals, care for the birds, alright, care for every living organism, that's what I can say. And so now quickly reread the chapter and complete the quiz. Alright, get going.